What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the show. I'm Spencer.
And I'm Christy, and we just got back from a really awesome stay in St. Michael's, Maryland. It's this really cute, historic little town along the bay that we love going to. We just took the kids and had a really good time.
The Eastern Shore is definitely one of the most beautiful parts of Maryland.
Yeah, we love spending time along the water, and while we were there, we got to go in and out of like the little shops and restaurants and stuff, and it was so cute. And as you know, Marylanders, we've been sharing this, we love crab. There were so many amazing crab dishes on the menu, and I was like, what can I griddle, you know, that's a little bit different and that has crab? And today, I'm gonna be griddling some yummy, tasty breakfast crab burritos.
So let's go fire up the Blackstone.
To get our breakfast burritos started, I'm going to get our eggs cracked and prepped to get on the griddle.
I don't know that I've ever used the egg on egg cracking method.
You know, I saw my brother-in-law do it and it worked so brilliantly for him, but it is not working for me at all.
Shot egg white across the deck.
I did. Since we are making crab breakfast burritos, I am going to season our eggs with some Old Bay seasoning, add a dash of milk to have them nice and fluffy, and then I'm also going to add some shredded cheddar cheese into our egg mixture. I'm gonna whip it all together and then set it aside until I'm ready to put our eggs on the griddle. I've got the griddle set to medium low. I'm gonna get a little bit of oil down, and then I'm gonna start with our peppers and onions. Got a white onion, a red bell pepper, and some jalapenos. Now that our onions and peppers have softened up a little bit, they're nice and warm, it is time to get our omelets going. I'm going to add in our lump crab meat right in there with our onions and peppers, and then top it with our egg mixture here. Our eggs are just about ready. I'm going to do another sprinkle of our Old Bay seasoning, mix that in, and get ready to build some burritos. I'm gonna melt some butter over here in the corner to later brush onto our burritos. Now that our eggs are ready, I'm going to just scoop them out into a bowl so we can start building our burritos. All right, we're just gonna scoop in a bunch of this yummy crab egg burrito filling.
You're gonna overfill it.
I always do. Okay. So we'll fold our ends. I like a nice, thick, hearty burrito. Then just move this aside.
Amateur burrito roller, but that's all right.
Well, how would you roll a burrito?
I'll tell you.
Oh boy, all right.
All right, so fold one side over.
Okay.
Now fold your ends.
Oh, okay, okay.
And then fold that over. There you go.
Okay, well, guess what? I can fix this, I think.
Because we got the super soft tortilla shells.
There you go. I'm gonna put a little bit of our butter out here. Do you want to put the wrapped side down on the griddle first?
The seam side.
The seam side, yeah, there you go. I'm going to coat our burritos with this nice butter that was melting over here in the corner.
I'm a fan of crispy burritos.
Yeah. It is now time to flip our burritos. They are looking great.
Mmm.
Smells so good, right? Our burritos are nice and ready. It is time to plate it up. And because Spencer called me out on my presentation, we're gonna get a little fancy here. Old Bay Hot Sauce. It's like fancy.
Yep.
Breakfast crab burritos.
Looks tasty. Breakfast is served.
I'm so excited to try this.
Yeah.
All right, well, let's dive in and give this a try. That's fantastic.
That came out amazing. Really, really good.
Oh my gosh, this is so good.
The eggs are super fluffy.
The crab in there
Crab meat is great.
always delicious. The butter, I think, adding to the burrito definitely helps with It's
I
a
really like
good,
that
yeah,
crispy shell.
so delicious. This is an easy one to try at home. You should definitely give it a go.
We are Marylanders. We love our crab. But if you were somewhere else and you don't have access to crab or anything like that, the same recipe works great with sausage, chorizo,
Probably even shrimp.
shrimp, ground
Yep.
beef, whatever you want to throw in there. This is a really versatile recipe that you can use whatever protein you like.
So if you are camping or you're entertaining, like this is a really easy dish
Yep,
to
and pretty
serve
quick.
a lot. Yes, nice and hearty.
Well, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you try this one because it is 10 out of 10. Visit blackstoneproducts.com for all things Blackstone. Subscribe and click that bell icon on the YouTube channel so you don't miss any of the great videos from any of the great cooks.
Like Taylor, Nate, Todd, CJ, Matt, Bruce, Betty, and us.
And us. And until next time, guys, this is Destination Delicious, and we will see you down the road.